Hey guys, what's going on? So I got this assortment pack, Party Zone 6 from Outlaw Fireworks. And this is from Pyro Predator pack. So they come 4 in 1. And I'm doing this video because there are some differences in cakes and fountains. So let's get to it and I'll show you what I mean. So this one, the only difference between these two right here is this one right here. I believe this one is the only difference is that, which is by Dominator called Cloud Dragon. Whereas this one over here is Green Bamboo. And this is also a different, well, I believe these are the same color, this one and this one. Well, the only difference is the lettering. One's a little bit different than the other, as you can tell. Go to this one. And I believe that's about it. I believe these two are basically the same other than those two differences. Now, we scoot over this way. Now, these two are a little different from these two. And the difference is the cakes, the little 6-shot cakes. This one's called Uproar. That one's called Havoc. And then these two right here both got the Chaos. But that is the differences right there, is that. And also, this one has the big snow, whereas the other one's got Cloud Dragon and Green Bamboo. But these two both have the big snow. And this one's a little bit different color, the fountain. And this was the same as this one. And that's about it. But that, I mean, it's slight differences. There's no big deal. Like I was saying, I don't know. These cakes down here might be the same. They might perform the same. I really can't see a performance on them. There's a little bar on the side of them. So, I mean, if you guys want to let me see if I can get a clear one. If you can screenshot that or get a good view of that, then, you know, you may be able to see the effects on that one. But that's it. But other than that, they basically have the same setup in here, other than those differences, like, you know, they got little assorted fountains right here, cuckoos, golden flower, fountain. I think this is a hybrid. I believe this is a hybrid as well, the Twitter glitter. And this says showers with sparks, but I don't know. And this is like a little small cake right here, almost like a little rat race or something. This one right here, it's got like a little 96 shot one, so. And then it's just fountain, another fountain. I don't know if this is a fountain or a hybrid. And then these are little small cakes and stuff they got right there, and then your ball shells. And basically the artillery shells in these packs are all the same. There you guys have it, man. Those are the slight differences of the Party Zone. Sorry about the glare, fellas, man. I have really poor lighting right here in the dining area. So that's your Party Zone pack, assortment family pack from Pyro Predator. There you guys go. You guys can, you know, zoom in or whatever, pause the video. All right, you guys, thanks for watching. I'll do an unboxing in a little bit. On the next video, I'll do an unboxing of one of these so you guys can see the full spectrum of what it is inside of them and what they are. All right, you guys, thank you guys for watching.